Hi, I'm Sam and I'm the current Student Union President for Coleg Menai.
Hi, I'm Luke, the current College Llandrillo Student Union President.
Hello everyone, my name is Terry Tiffrey. I am a student at Coleg Llandrillo in Dolgellau and I am studying the independent living skills. I think I am suitable for the role because I love communication and learn about other people.
Helo, enw fi ydi William, a fi ydi Llywydd yr Undeb Addysg Uwch, Coleg Llandrillo. Hi, I'm William, and I am the HE Student Union President at Coleg Llandrillo.
For more information on our Students' Union, let's hear from last year's Student Union Presidents.
At Grŵp Menai, the views of our students are taken very seriously. Ideas and suggestions are taken to the very top of the organisation.
Grŵp Menai has 3 elected Student Union Presidents, 1 at each college and a higher education Student Union President across the group. We work with both college staff and students.
We contribute to college committees, open forums and learner panels and represent students on the Board of Governors.
We're doing quite well in representing our students. We've won NUS Wales Further Education Student Union of the Year 2018, 2019 and 2020. And in February, we won 4 out of 8 awards at the prestigious NUS Wales Awards 2020, which included 2 members of staff winning awards too.
There are many ways you can get involved to ensure your voice is heard. You can volunteer in one of the college campus representative positions or executive officer positions.
You can also put yourself forward to become a class representative for your course. A class rep is a spokesperson for the class, representing the views of the group.
A class rep acts as an effective communicator and works in partnership with staff and students on the course to raise feedback and create shared solutions for all.
The main role of the class rep is to gather opinions and feedback from other students and represent them during course team meetings and at learner panel meetings with your college principal.
The class reps will have opportunities to raise any issues that the students would like addressed. We have a higher education learner conference and a further education learner conference where all class reps get together with the Students' Union and senior management to discuss our views.
If you don't fancy being a class rep, you can get involved by helping organise a club, society or social event.
Or you can help our Students' Union with our enrichment campaigning events. We have loads of different themed events during the year, including charity weeks, environmental activities, volunteering weeks and well-being weeks, with the powerful Deadly Impacts and Choose Life presentations throughout the year.
You can also make your views or suggestions known to your president. We will do our best to support you.
Encourage your friends to get involved in the Students' Union.
Look out for invitations to focus groups, forums, student councils and learner panels.
Remember that your college ID card can also be used as evidence of your NUS membership, where organisations offer discounts for NUS members.
If you'd like extra benefits for membership, you can apply for the Totem card, which will give you a wider range of discounts in many high street stores.
Totem cards can also be used to shop online. Totem discounts are available on a number of brands and subscriptions including Spotify, Domino's Pizza, ASOS, Boohoo and Boohooman.
Get in touch with us for more information. We're on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and TikTok. Have a look for Grŵp Llandrillo Menai Students Union on Facebook and SUGLLM on Twitter, Instagram and TikTok.
Contact us.